Renters can now search, find, apply for, and lease a home digitally, all from the safety and comfort of their home and all through Zillow Rentals. It's thanks to a new tool for landlords, lease upload and online signing technology.
And Zillow was like a one-stop shop. You were going to like a different company to do your deposits and then also your background check and then getting all these documents together.
Maria Von Chase and Ethan Wazorek just moved into a new rental in Seattle, sight unseen. Their landlord, Raul Tello, had uploaded a Zillow 3D virtual tour of his property and offered a video showing.
I was maybe a little bit nervous about not shaking somebody's hand in renting, but we did a FaceTime after they had seen the property, the photos, and they had done a virtual walkthrough of the property.
Data shows rental visit traffic to Zillow has rebounded, climbing above Zillow's pre-COVID expectations. A signal renters are interested in moving if they can do it safely.
I especially like the idea of having the whole renter's experience in one platform. If I can make it easier for them, and if I can make the process less time consuming for me, I think it's a win-win.